In this video, I will share with you how to open Koho account online. So guys, go to Google, search for Koho, and then click this first result here. You will see this page from here, guys. All you have to do, click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you will see this option. You have up to 2 million joins. Write your email address. I want to write my email address and password. Make sure write a strong and good password. Click create an account. When you click create your account, you have tell you about us, write your first name and last name and a birthday date. This one, for example, this is the birthday date. After write your all birthday dates, for example, 11 and for example, this one. After that, write your date and then click next. From here, write your address for search for address here, and then click on your all details, the cities, and then if you have occupations, write your occupations, employee or student. Click next, write your mobile phone numbers, and then when you write your mobile phone numbers, write your valid mobile phone numbers, guys. After writing your numbers, upload your document ID, and then you will be opened your account successfully. I hope this guide helpful for